One of the most exciting things about banana bread is just its versatility. And then I talk about balancing flavors and even coming up with different recipes altogether. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. My name is Cassandra, and if you're seeing me for the first time, well, you're welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you know that I am actually, I would say, a lover of banana bread, right? Because we've tried out different recipes, we've tried out different flavors, different toppings. And today I want to show you one of my favorite flavors of banana bread, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So if you have some overripe bananas on your countertop, or you don't even know what to do with it, you need to make this recipe right now. We're still going to follow the same process of making banana bread. Pretty simple. Just make sure that your bananas are really overripe. And today's flavor, we're having some walnuts and chocolate chips. So let's not waste any time. Hit that subscribe button and let's go straight into the recipe. So as always, we have our basic ingredients for making banana bread. I have 2 overripe bananas here, and I have some eggs. All the ingredients will be in the description box, so please do well to check. I have some vanilla extract, some brown sugar, milk, some flour, baking powder, baking soda, some cinnamon, melted butter, and of course our toppings. We have walnuts and chocolate chips. You're going to get a bowl, and we are going to start with our wet ingredients. So for this, I'm just going to mash the banana in here. So I'm just going to put in the banana in here. These are really large bananas, by the way. And now we're going to mash this. So mash your bananas. Now we have our mashed banana. Just going to make sure that I keep this aside. Now we have 2 eggs, and we're going to break this in here. Add our melted butter. So I'm just going to leave some to butter our pan. Almond milk. All the measurements will be in the description box. And of course, some vanilla extract. So now we're going to whisk this together. Banana bread is actually very simple to make, trust me. You just need to learn how to make it properly. It shouldn't be too hard, it shouldn't be too soft. You know, it should just have that perfect texture. And to get the perfect texture, you need to get your wet ingredients right. I'm really excited about the toppings that we would use for this banana bread, because walnuts are perfect nuts. And just because they look like our brain, walnuts are actually very good for cognitive ability. It helps with memory and concentration. And dark chocolate chips are amazing. They have their own nutrients. So now that our wet ingredient is well mixed, we are going to combine our dry ingredient, and I'll be using this beautiful bowl of mine. I'm going to sieve in 1 cup of flour, we have our baking soda, about 1 teaspoon, baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon, some cinnamon, about teaspoon, and our brown sugar. Now we're going to stir this together. So you have to stir your dry ingredients and make sure that it is well combined. So now it's time for us to add our wet ingredients into this. So you're going to add it in 2 batches, if that is correct. I'm going to mix this gently I'm going to pour in some more. Now that our batter is properly mixed, we are going to crush our almonds because we want to add a little bit of the almonds into the batter, just for that crunchy feel. I'll get a Ziploc bag and add our almond in here, and then we're just going to crush. I'm going to pour them in here. We're also going to add some more. This is really looking good. You're going to really love this. I'll also add the chocolate chips. These are dark chocolates. And we're just going to stir that together. Very good. So now this is our buttered pan, and we are going to pour in the mixture in here, and we are going to bake for about 20 to 35 minutes. Make sure that the batter fills every part of the pan. So we're just going to keep the pan this way so to remove any air bubbles. So for our toppings, we're going in with our walnuts. So I want us to do something, very creative. So we're going to fill half of this with the walnuts and then half with some chocolate chips. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to just do this and make sure that it looks very, very beautiful. And then our chocolate chips will go in here. We have our banana bread mixture ready to go into the oven. So our banana bread is ready. Guys, can you take a look at this? This is looking so good. Allow this to cool for some time before we take it out of the pan, and then we'll have a slice. I'm just going to cut here gently. Can you see that? You're really going to love this flavor in about. Can you see that? Just take a look at that. This is beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. So now I'm going to have a taste of our banana bread, and you can see how fluffy this is. Amazing. Guys, this is so good. You need to try it out. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. So let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye. Okay, let's have some tea with this.